Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy. I'm from Singapore, and today we have a very special package coming in for unboxing. Alright, this is very special because the package here came all the way from Glashütte, Germany. Right, this one here was sent in by Nomos, and I'm talking about the official Nomos guys. Thank you very much, Nomos, for taking time to send in a watch for review. I'm just a nobody, and I'm really honored that you send in your watches. Thank you very much. Dankeschön, Nomos. So we've got this really well packed, thick cardboard box over here. Alright, of course I've removed all the shipping labels so that you can't see my address and all that. Let me just cut open the tape over here. Alright, and then I'm gonna let you know what's inside this package. Let me just flip open this outer box over here and see what we've got inside. Wow, this packaging is quite something. You can see that this thing is nicely wrapped with Nomos wrapping paper. Alright, we've got the famous Nomos dial layout here. Okay, this is just fantastic, and we've got a seal over here from Nomos. Okay, wow, let's see what we've got inside. I'm not gonna tear open this package here, alright, because I think it's just too nicely done. So I'm just gonna slip out the package here. Wow, okay, and we've also got a really nice diary over here and a catalog as well. Oh, this is just wonderful stuff from Nomos. Thank you very much, Nomos. Fantastic. Okay, and we've got a greeting card as well. Greetings from Glashütte. I really appreciate this one. I'm so touched. Thank you very much, Nomos, for your kindness and loaning me a watch for review. Alright, so back to the main package here. Alright, this has to be the watch. Okay, this has to be the watch because we've got the diary, we've got the catalog, we've got the greeting card, we've got the really nice paper wrapper over here. If this is not the watch, I don't know what this is going to be. Alright, so again, they've wrapped up the watch box really nicely, really neatly here, true to Nomos style. Okay, I've purchased a few Nomos before, and I always feel that their style, you know, their copywriting and all that is, you know, on the next level, okay, compared to other watch brands. So instead of cutting the tape, I think this one here is, you know, put together using double-sided tape. Let's see if I can, you know, just slip out the watch case over here. Yes, I can do it. Alright, and this is the actual Nomos watch box. Let me just flip open the cover. Ah, yet more packaging. Oh, these guys are really doing a good job these days, man. So let me just unzip this leather pouch over here. And oh, okay, wonderful. Ta-da! Okay, so we've got a Nomos Tangente over here, and you can see that this one here is sort of a special edition because it's got the red 12 at the 12 o'clock marker, and this belongs to the 50th anniversary of Doctors Without Borders. Alright, in order to celebrate the organization's 50th year, Nomos has tied in with the organization to produce 2,021 pieces of this watch. Alright, production started last year, and I believe you're still in time to purchase one if you want to lend your support to the organization. Doctors Without Borders is an organization that provides medical assistance, alright, for countries that are faced with medical emergencies, and I think they've also got some form of special inscription here on the dial. This one here is done in French. Let me read up and let me get the pronunciation right before I say it on the internet. And now, with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the Nomos Doctors Without Borders edition. So typically Nomos watches, they come on shell cordovan straps or sometimes velvet leather straps, but this one here is really nicely done. Sort of a nylon fabric, and the ends here are sealed very nicely, no sharp edges or anything of the sort. Nicely inscripted on the inside of the strap. Let me just power up the Tangente Alpha movement. by doing some hand winding action, okay? And you can hear that the winding here is very crisp, very satisfying, okay? For those of you who know about Nomos alpha movements, alright, you won't find this to be a chore because it is very satisfying to hand wind the move. You typically need about 35 or 42 rounds of winding, alright? So this is fully wound, and you can see the seconds hand at 6 o'clock ticking away. Really nice. Let's do a quick check on the hand alignment. I'm going straight to 12 o'clock. What do you expect from Nomos? Of course, there is no misalignment of any sort. I've always maintained that Nomos watches, they provide the best value for money because you're not paying over the top crazy money, and yet you're getting a very good watch with in-house manufacturer movement. So I think, people should start to sit up and pay close attention to Nomos watches. And now zoom back out for a quick wrist shot over here. I'm pretty surprised because the strap here seems to be pretty long, alright? I'm already at the last strap hole over here closest to the lug. Here you can see that at 35 or 38 millimeters, this watch here, no problems at all if you have a smaller wrist, okay? No problems at all. There's a bit of lug overhang due to the design as well as the strap over here, due to the strap. So I think still very manageable even if you look at the watch this way. From wearing this, I think it has to be a 38. Does not feel like a 35. Okay, let me just quickly run over there to grab my wife's Tangent 35 and we'll do a really quick comparison. Alright, any suspicion, any uncertainties, they're all put to rest now because I managed to run over to get my wife's Tangent 35, and here you can see the lone set here. Doctors Without Borders is indeed the Tangent 38. Okay, so really nice comparison over here. Alright, we've got the same case design, more or less the same looks. Alright, and we've also got the same movement. The alpha movement, one is covered with a signed case back here engraved, and the other one here shows off the beautiful alpha movement. And I think both watches here, they have that silver pearl-like dial over here, and this is something you need to see in real to fully appreciate the beauty of this silvery, powdery type of Nomos white dial. So I'm going to spend some time with the Tangent Doctors Without Borders, and I'm going to film a full-length video review. Stay tuned for that video. I will see you soon. This is Andy in Singapore. Bye bye.